In this video, I'm going to show you how to find your Todoist email in just a couple of quick steps, whether you're looking for your secret task forwarding email address or the email address tied to your Todoist account. This is super helpful if you want to send tasks into Todoist by email, or if you just need to confirm the login email on your account. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, let's find your secret task forwarding email address. This is the email address you can use to send tasks directly into Todoist. To do that, start by opening Todoist and click Inbox or any custom project in the left sidebar. Once you're inside the project, look to the top right corner of the task window and click the three dots icon. This opens a drop-down menu with more project options. From that menu, select Email Tasks to this project. Todoist will then display a unique email address for that project. This is the special address that lets you forward tasks straight into your list without manually typing them in. If you want to use it, simply click Copy Email to grab the address instantly. After that, you can paste it into your email app, notes, or wherever you need it. Now, if you're actually trying to find the email address used to log in to your Todoist account, the steps are a little different. Start by clicking your profile avatar in the top left corner of the Todoist interface. This opens your account menu. From there, select Settings. Inside Settings, look at the left-hand menu and click Account. On the account page, you'll see your current login address listed right under the email address heading. That is the email connected to your Todoist account, and you can use it to verify which account you're signed into. So just to recap, if you need the task forwarding email, go to a project, open the three-dot menu, and choose Email Tasks to this project. If you need your login email, go to your profile avatar, open Settings, then Account, and check the email address field. It's quick, simple, and once you know where to look, you can find it in seconds. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.